Hello friends, today we will learn about the new service of AWS called as AWS Backup. So AWS Backup is a fully managed service that centralizes and automates data backup across AWS services, enabling you to configure backup policies and monitor activity from a single console. You can backup a variety of AWS resources such as Amazon EC2 instance, EBS volumes, RDS database, DynamoDB table, S3 buckets and many more. So in this video we will learn about how to create backup vault, then we will create backup plan and assign resources to the plan. Then we will create on-demand backup and take the backup of EC2 service. Then we will monitor the backup job and in last we will restore it. So first open the AWS management console and click on backup service. Then click on dashboard. So this is the dashboard of AWS backup. Now we'll create vault. Vault is a logical container where we store the backup. So two default vaults are there. We will create new one. So click on create new vault. Give the name for the vault. You can give any one. I am giving backup vault. Encryption key keep it default. And vault type keep it default backup vault. Click on create vault. This is vault. Now we will create a backup plan which define your backup policy with rules of scheduling, retention and lifecycle management. Again click on dashboard. Then click on create backup plan. So we will build a new plan. Click on build a new plan. Give the name. You can give any one. So I am giving backup plan. Schedule when to start the backup. Enter rule name. Then backup vault. So select our vault which we have created. Backup vault. Backup frequency weekly, monthly. We will keep weekly, which will be on Saturday. Now start time. So first select the time zone. So select our India time zone, which is Kolkata. Start time. So we will keep it in the morning, 10 o'clock, 10:30. And backup start time. So we will start within 1 hour. And backup will complete within, we will keep it 2 hours. Point in time recovery, we don't want continuous backup because it need heavy charges. Life cycle cold storage, so keep it default. Now retention period, how much days we want to keep our backup. So we will keep it for 30 days. Enter 30. Then destination region, so we will keep it default. It is optional. Click on create plan. Our plan has been created. Now we will assign the resource. So give the name for resource assignment. I am entering RES EC2 because we are creating for EC2 resource. I am role keep it default. Then we will include specific resource type. So select the resource type EC2. Then instance ID, because we don't want for all instance. So we will select specific instance. I have already created one instance. If you want to exclude any, we can select here. Click on assign resource. Our backup plan is ready. Here you can see the backup rule and the resource assignment has come in this plan. But we have created for Saturday, so it will start on Saturday. If you want to backup now, we will create on-demand backup. So click on dashboard. Click on create on-demand backup. Then select resource type. So we will select EC2. Select the instance ID. Backup window, create backup now or customize backup window. We can select start and end time. Here we can select start and end time. So we will do one thing. We will create backup now. and total retention period, keep it 30 days. Select the vault, IAM role, keep it default, and click on create on demand backup. So here in job section, you can see the status of job is created. It will take few seconds to complete the backup. The current status is showing running. Here we can see all the details of our job. Now backup is completed. You can see in the status. Now we will go to EC2 service to terminate the instance, and then we will recover our instance. So click on EC2 service. Select the instance. Click on instance state. Click on terminate. Again click on terminate. It will take few seconds to terminate the instance. So instance is terminated. Now go back to the AWS backup. Click on protected resources. Click on this recovery point. Click on restore. So here are our instance detail which we want to restore. Keep it default all. Then select the role name, keep it default. Then click on restore backup. It will take some time to restore. The current status is showing pending. It is completed now. Now we will go to EC2 service to check that our new instance has come or not. So click on instance running. Here you can see the instance has come, and the terminate one is also showing here. Thank you for watching this video.